How to change Snapchat call ringtone. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change Snapchat call ringtone on iPhone and Android. Now open up your Snapchat. After you open Snapchat, go to Profile. In this section, go to Settings. After you come to this settings, scroll to down, go to Notifications. In this section, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see here, it says ringtone. So this option will not allow you to change the ringtone even in the notification center. All you have to do now, if you want to change the ringtone call of your Snapchat app, now go back again. So from your Snapchat profile, go to this Snapchat Plus. In this section, scroll to down, go to this custom ringtone. This can, here is now custom ringtone, this one. So you cannot be able to use this custom ringtone until you have Snapchat Plus account. So if you subscribe to Snapchat Plus account, you can be able to come to this section and change the ringtone of your call in Snapchat. If you want to subscribe, just tap on this next button. So from there, you can choose the plan monthly or annually and subscribe to your Snapchat. That's it, guys, on how to change Snapchat call ringtone. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.